Okay, this is how we start our Manhattan Seafood Chowder. I'm going to put some virgin oil in the pot. Okay, nice and hot. And then we're going to go with onions, carrots, celery, leeks, red bell peppers, garlic, and shallots. And that's how we start it. Okay, now we're going to add salt, pepper, thyme, and rosemary. Next, we're going to add pureed Sagamore tomatoes. After that, some fresh clam stock. Now we're going to add some diced Yukon Gold potatoes. Boom! Woo! See you when I add the shrimp and the clams. Okay, now the Manhattan Seafood Chowder has boiled with the veggies and potatoes for half an hour. We're going to add our fresh chopped little neck clams and jumbo shrimp. Boom! Next, some beautiful fresh flat leaf parsley. And we're going to stir it up. And that is our Manhattan Seafood Chowder, baby. Come and get it tonight.